Let's begin the journey to softer, healthier heels. In your hands lies castor oil, a centuries-old remedy celebrated for intensive hydration and healing. Today, we'll unveil its gentle touch and walk through its transformative steps for your tired, dry feet. Begin by soaking your feet in warm water for 10 minutes. This will relax the skin, opening pores and preparing them for deeper nourishment. Add a few drops of essential oils for a soothing, aromatic experience. Pat your heels dry gently, avoiding any harsh rubbing. The skin on your heels is sensitive and deserves care that's soft and compassionate. Keep them slightly damp to let the oil lock in maximum moisture. Now pour a small amount of castor oil into your palm. Its thick consistency is rich in omega fatty acids, ready to infuse deep hydration into your dry, cracked heels. This golden elixir will soon become your trusted companion. Rub the oil between your palms, warming it for better absorption. Massage it gently onto your heels, using circular motions to boost circulation and relaxation. This mindful touch not only soothes your skin, but also your entire being. For enhanced results, wrap your feet in a warm, damp towel or slip on cotton socks. This creates a moisturizing cocoon, allowing the oil's healing properties to penetrate deeply overnight. Small rituals like this redefine self-care moments. As the oil works its magic, take a moment to connect with yourself. In nourishing these often overlooked areas, you're practicing self-kindness. Every drop of care serves as a step closer to softer, renewed heels. Remember, consistent care is key to lasting results. Castor oil's reparative power, paired with regular exfoliation, fosters healthier, smoother heels over time. The journey to transforming dry feet is as much about patience as it is about effort. Softer heels are more than just a skincare goal. They're a means to walk confidently and comfortably through life. Every step is a reflection of the care you show yourself. Honor this quiet transformation as a part of your wellness routine. Before you go, commit to this ritual as an act of self-love. Castor oil, combined with your hand's gentle care, holds the power to rejuvenate. Hit subscribe and join us for more ways to nourish your body and spirit, one step at a time.